Friends, oh, that's a creamy white chicken enchiladas. My husband, he make that today. Oh, that's his first time to make that, and it looks good, and I can't wait to eat that. And he make the he cooked the Spanish rice or Mexican rice. I can wait to eat this one also. And I came from work, and when I'm home, he cook good food. Anyway, friends, so my husband now, he put that on the plate. Oh, creamy, creamy. And this is what, friends? Oh, creamy white chicken enchiladas. Okay, I will taste it. Wow. Oh, I can't wait to eat. Yummy. Wow, perfect, sweetheart. Oh, this is good. And I'm gonna bring this one tomorrow in my work, my leftover. Oh, yum, 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 friends. It's good that you have a good cooking husband. I thank God for having a good husband and a good cook. Every time he likes to eat, he likes to and he likes to cook and likes to eat good food. Anyway, friends, that's our lunch for today. The creamy chicken enchilada and the Spanish rice. Anyway, friends, we're gonna eat now and we sit in the table. Bye bye. God bless. Love you all.